What do you say and what do you do when someone asks you, how much of money have you made, and you know in the bottom of your heart you've never made that type of money you wanted to make in the first 1-2 years of your life? Well, here's the deal. Let me ask you a question. How long does it take your mom to give birth to you? 9 seconds, 9 minutes, 9 hours, 9 weeks, or 9 months? Of course, it took 9 months. In business, it's a 5 to 10 year plan. You're lucky if you're succeeding in your first year. You're lucky. Some people do. In the conventional world, people don't even break even 5 to 10 years in. So if someone says to me, how much money have you made? Well, I'll tell him up front. And if I'm brand new to this industry. I haven't made that type of money yet, but I know so and so, and then I'll share their story. Borrow other people's story to help you make enough money. Borrow it, because here's the deal. Those are success stories that can make you more money, help you have more credibility. I didn't have credibility at 18 years old. I was borrowing other people's success stories to gain my credibility and push me up. Well, people are gonna ask you the question, how much money have you made? And I want you to be honest, don't lie to them. But if they don't want to join you because you haven't made that type of money, well, you need to turn around and tell them, I'm gonna make that type of money, but I don't want you to join me then. Because then you're using me for my money. If you don't catch the vision of me, if you don't trust me, you're not someone who I want to roll with. You're not someone who I want to work with. You're not someone who I want to do business with. So I don't want you to lie, because lying leads to more lies. And then you have to keep proving yourself. That whole fake it till you make it, I don't believe in that stuff. Because if you fake it till you make it, you got to keep faking it all the time towards the next level. It's all about being authentic, being real, and being honest. Because that's when you're going to attract the right type of people like you. I attract people like me into my business. You attract people like you. If you keep lying, you keep attracting liars into your business. Hope that answers your question.